You have to find something that's like the rose plant. Find something that represents the rose thing. And then throw it, like... I don't even know where.
I don't know about that, bro.
What the freak? Oh my god! Oh yeah, it's my turn.
Okay.
Did you take this? Honey, don't drop it. Okay, I need to come from this way. Okay, door's open. No, stay in there for a second. You have to stay for a second. Close the door. Okay. That was fun. Okay, where did your freaking cat go?
I don't know. I think
Nipper. Oh, he's under here.
Where?
There he is.
Where?
Look at me. Look at me.
There's Stella.
Where's Stella?
And there's a Barbie.
That's not Stella. That's
Oh,
Nipper.
Oh.
That's Pippins.
There's Trent.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh.
Get that cat!
No, Nipper. Some cat.
He went under.
Some cat.
Oh no. Ah! Oh no, I fell down.
Some cat.
I fell down. Where is he at? Oh, there he
right
is. I see him, I see him. I see Trinity's hand. He's like, nope, not coming out.
Not coming out. Some cat. So, take a picture.
Okay. We must see the video.
It's still
Wait,
filming.
No, we should do another video, okay? Like just listen like we're just
I
sitting
said